Yeah.
My AirPods arrived, finally. Took like 3 days, but still. Welcome back to the Dencrn channel. My name is Den. Today, this is my AirPods unboxing. I'm 4 years late because this is the 2nd gen AirPods compared to the AirPods Pro or, you know, the AirPod Maxes that are like 900 Australian, by the way. So this is, I ordered this from JB Hi-Fi. I'm not gonna reveal my location and, you know, where I live. We got the goods. Let's go. I got what I wanted. Oh yeah. Security. If this seal is broken, do not accept delivery of goods. Or of goo. So, I think we should get cracking and open this. God, it's been a minute since I've opened, you know, a package. You know, it'd be great if I could actually open the package. Here we go. Put this down. That is my house address. Oh wow, it comes very, you know, neat. Comes in whole bubble wrap and everything. This right here is what I've been wanting for years. The AirPods 2nd gen. This is just basically the headphones I'm going to use for around my house because I just want something that's convenient and won't, you know, give me a headache. So I'm going to go get a knife because I don't want to damage the box because I want to put, like, hang this up, like put this up in storage for, you know, the future, just in case these boxes ever go for like really high prices. So I'll meet you guys when I have a knife. I'll be back. I'm trying to think, do I go small kitchen knife or do I go big kitchen knife? Small kitchen knife. I actually will admit this is really hard to open. Plastic wrapping. It's 2023. Use cardboard as protection. Oh wow, it's kind of cool. It's like, it feels cool, like in the hand. Or designed by Apple in California. Totally. You know what? Let's open all this. Do we get Apple stickers? That's all I care about. It's the... Ooh, the Chinese... I should not... Oh my god. No. It's just the basic... Oh, and how to use it. Oh, that's... Oh, it's in a kind of roadmap style. That's cool. Turn on Bluetooth. Connect AirPods. Just like... Okay, cool. Don't care. This will come in handy if I don't know how to, though. And then... God, this is kind of painful. And then I pull this back, and then holy crap, that's a lot. You know what? Oh, it's only USB, really? That's fine. It's the same USB that I could use on my phone, so it doesn't really bother me. Just gonna put this back in because I might need it for the future. Gonna unravel all of this. Oh, just like that. The AirPods are done. Unboxing. They're so small compared to like all the YouTube videos I've seen. I swear they're bigger. I could also be thinking of the AirPod Pros, but yeah. I'm gonna get these connected to my phone since my phone is the iPhone, so I kind of need to go off camera and connect it. So I'll meet you guys when I'm back.
Okay guys, it's been many hours since I've recorded the unboxing video. I've connected them to my phone, and honestly, for the price, I actually quite like it. I tried playing some music earlier through the headphones, or should I say the AirPods, sorry. And I quite like the audio quality and the fact that I didn't really have to use an equalizer to make it look good, sound good. So yeah, I honestly would recommend getting them. Even if they're on special or not. There is definitely, of course, better headphones, or sorry, wireless headphones, or earbuds as people call them. But if you want something that will work simultaneously with all Apple devices and just have it work straight off the bat, get AirPods. It's just the easiest thing to set up. All you need to do is really just open the case and boom, connected. It's that simple. So yeah, thank you all very much for watching today's Dencrn video. If you haven't enjoyed it and you want to see more videos like this, definitely hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys. Goodbye.